Hello everybody and welcome back to another daily update. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and discuss what's going to happen. Right, I discuss my thoughts, why I feel like the price is going to come down here. So before I actually get into it, please make sure to head on over to my Twitter and give me a follow at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Click this link in my bio, it will take you to my YouTube channel where I post content. I'm hoping I'll post content every single day. Right, the the change from what I used to do and what I do now is pretty simple, right? I do not want to give you guys setups, which is kind of gonna put me in a lot of pressure. I don't want to be in that spot, so I'm gonna explain my thoughts and see how things play out, right? So what I'm expecting right now is for the price. So right, even before we get into all of that stuff, right? I've marked out Monday's high at 21.5, Monday's low at 20.5, right? Yesterday, when Bitcoin was somewhere around here, I expected the Bitcoin price to, if it was rejected at the 50 fib here at 21K, then I was expecting a retest, a sweep of the Monday's low, followed by a rally towards the Monday's high. But I noticed there were a lot of buy stop sell stop liquidity present below the Monday's low. The first one was equal lows present here exactly at the Monday's low, and even beyond that there was another equal low around here, as you can see here at $20,148, but that was also swept just an hour ago, right? Other than that, things are looking pretty good here. I don't see a reason why Bitcoin price needs to go lower now. So I feel like a reversal here is likely, right? And in yesterday's tweet, yeah, in this tweet, okay, my bad, this is not the tweet. Yeah, in this tweet, I expected Bitcoin price to go all the way below 20,148, which was an equal low formed here, only because I was expecting this kind of setup to play out, right? The setup where usually the price forms a swing high and then moves above that swing high to produce a market structure break, right? This is followed by another market structure break to the downside relative to the swing lows formed between peaks 2 and 3, right? So that's what I was expecting here for Bitcoin, and that's the reason why I expected Bitcoin price to go down. And the reason why it made sense to me was because of the previous Monday's low that was formed here at 19,612. And not only that, the swing high formed here at 19.6k, and the swing high formed here on 22nd June at roughly 19.7k also have a lot of liquidity resting below these lows here, which pretty much made sense to me, right? But for now, right, so I have this thesis still in play. I'm not gonna open any long positions, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for Bitcoin price to prove that one of the scenarios is gonna play out, right? The first scenario is obviously this one that I've marked out here, right? A sweep of previous Monday's low and 9.6k, followed by a run up at Monday's low and get rejected here, followed by another move down that fills the FEG here, extending from 19.1k to 18.5k. This is scenario 1. Scenario 2 is pretty simple. I'm going to mark this out again. If we get a recovery above Monday's low, then I'm going to wait for the price to retest the Monday's low and confirm that it's a successful flip, in which case I'm going to long Bitcoin here and I'm going to take profits around Monday's high, right? And the upside objective for Bitcoin, if you look at it from this weekly chart that I've shown here, is the 200 week moving average, right? That is where I feel like the upside is capped for Bitcoin. But in some cases, in a bullish case, you could see Bitcoin head all the way up to 23.5k, right? So there's $1,000 buffer space for Bitcoin extending from 22.5k to 23.5k, where it could potentially form a local top. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my take on Bitcoin. If you enjoy this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, make sure to comment on any of my Twitter posts. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe. Peace.